Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener. I'm out on the front porch today, and earlier this week I posted a video about my fall Halloween front porch. So if you haven't had the opportunity to check that out, be sure to click over and see. This morning I did a walkthrough through the garden and I did some cuttings. I cut a lot of white zinnias. I cut, let's see, some amaranth. This is my first year growing amaranth. It went really well. I didn't learn till later on from another gardener that you should pinch these plants earlier on to make them branch out and grow more stems. So mine are a little bit behind, but I'm still really happy with how they've turned out. I'm also gonna have some pink celosia and some dark red Sweet William, and some purple ruffle basil. Smells really, really good. Okay. And then I do have a few of the feathery blooms from purple fountain grass. So the idea behind this design today was I wanted to have really, really dark background, and then these particular blooms, which are white and they have a little bit of a yellow tone to them, these zinnias do, but then they would really pop out in contrast with their background. So that was the goal for that. I'm going to be designing in a small white low to the table ceramic container, has no hole in the bottom obviously. The idea is I'm going to be creating a shape kind of like this, that is kind of a crescent shape, and the idea is that this will be elongated so that it'll work really, really well as a fall centerpiece for your table. So if you're having dinner or you want to drop off an arrangement for a friend, this is a really easy approach. I'm going to be designing in my hand the entire time, and once I'm done I'm going to bind it off with binding wire, and then I will trim it, and then I will place it in my pot. Y'all enjoy!